Hey guys, welcome back to the FixItPhillip Auto channel. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Tacoma with some really faded headlights. So we're going to replace the whole headlight assembly. You can see there's a bunch of water in there. They're super yellow, super faded. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Here's a close-up of how bad these old ones are. And this one with the moisture getting inside. All right, first we're going to pop this grill off. We got two clips here. We're going to pop those off. Then you're going to use a 10mm socket for these two bolts here. Yeah, just these. Just pull up a little bit here. Then you have two clips on the bottom of the grill. We got to slightly push those to the side. I'll show you guys how those pop off. All right, here's the driver's side. Just push this little tab over just a hair and then pull up. And do the same on the other side. Here's another view of that clip so you can kind of understand how you just push it over just a hair and just pull up on the grill and it'll come off. You got to save these clips for later because we got to transfer these to the new headlight assemblies. All right, next we're going to take this little body filler piece off under the headlight and just pop off this plastic clip here. And we're going to pop it forward a little bit here. Pull forward, and then we're gonna gently pry it this way. And there it is. One of the headlight mounting bolts is right here in this bottom corner. It's being overlapped a little bit by this bumper cover, so you can pop these three clips off just so you have a little bit more wiggle room to move the bumper cover out of the way to get that bolt out. Okay. So this headlight assembly is being held on by 4 bolts. The one on the corner that we just took off, 2 on the top, then you have one here that's kind of a tight squeeze. It's in between the fender and the bumper cover here with the bolt facing this way. So I'm just going to peel back the inner fender liner a little bit and get a wrench in there and take this one off. Okay, I did turn the steering wheel all the way to the right to give me a little bit more room here with the tire pointing in. This one has a little plastic screw. You just turn it. Pop it out. That should give us enough room to get up in here and loosen this bolt. So the bolt we got to take off is, if you follow this, you can see this 10mm nut right here. Just the bolt right above that up here. So I'm actually going to use a 1/4" ratchet with the short 10mm socket. All right, there it is. All right, we're just gonna disconnect these 3 lights. Look at that. They just twist counterclockwise a little bit and pop right out. And then we can zap these two bolts off, then we can take it out. All right, now we can take it off. Just careful with the paint. There it is. Here's another view of where that bolt goes. It goes in this way here. And here's that clip we got to transfer to the new headlight. Okay, now we can put the new headlight in. All right, we can bolt it back down. Okay, we can plug these bulbs back in. All right, we're all good. So we can do the same thing to the other side. Alright guys, well we're done replacing both headlight assemblies on this Tacoma. You can see the difference from the old one to the new one, so it looks a whole lot better. Make sure you check all your bulbs and see if any of them are burnt out. It'd be a good idea to change them while you have it all taken apart. But other than that, we're all done. Thank you very much for watching Fix It Phillip. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.